Hey guys, this is Cam from EasyA. This video is going to be on decimals and financial maths. So let's get started.
So a decimal number is basically any number with digits after the decimal point. There are different types of decimals, such as recurring decimals, where the digits go on forever but in a repeating pattern. The repeating pattern is marked by the use of dots above the outside repeating digit. There are also irrational decimals which go on forever without repeating. Adding and subtracting decimals is the same as with whole numbers. Once you've done the addition, make sure to put the decimal point in where it was before. Decimals can be also represented as fractions. To convert a decimal into a fraction, first start by writing the decimal out in a place value table. The rightmost place value digit becomes the denominator of the fraction. For example, hundredths becomes 100. Then write the number on the top as the numerator to get the final fraction. To convert back, just divide the numerator by the denominator to get back to a decimal number. To multiply decimals, first multiply the two numbers together as if they weren't decimals. Then count the total number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the numbers you are multiplying and add the decimal point into the answer there. To divide a decimal by a whole number, just perform the division as you would normally, being sure to keep the decimal point in the right place. To divide a decimal by a decimal, convert them both into fractions, perform the division, and then convert them back. Now for a higher level topic of converting recurring decimals to fractions, make sure you understand algebra before learning this. Multiply the first equation through until you have two equations with the same numbers on the right of the decimal point, then subtract them to get the final answer. It's important to know how to use maths to solve financial problems. Subtract the money spent from the money received. If this is positive, this is known as a profit. If it's negative, it's known as a loss. For example, James buys a smartphone for £200. 1 year later he sells it for £130. Calculate his profit or loss. £130 minus £200 equals minus £70, so James has made a loss of £70. Now, here's an example of a bank statement. The balance is the amount of money in the account. Debits are money leaving the account, and credits are money getting put into the account. Each row of the statement represents a different transaction. Debits subtract from the balance, whereas credits add to the balance. It's important to always give your answers to money questions to two decimal places. Finally, onto VAT. VAT is the tax added to the price of products. It's currently set at 20%. To find the price of a product including VAT, multiply the price by 0.2 and add it on top. This is just a basic view of some of the terms used in financial maths.
Thank you for watching this EasyA Maths recap video. Check out our YouTube channel for more maths recaps or get the EasyA app on the Apple and Android app stores to get unlimited on-demand maths tutoring right from your smartphone.